Hey guys, we are dealing with some very strange times, and as much as I love to DIY a project, especially when we have time on our hands and the weather is nice, we need to be really mindful about moving about with the quarantines and the social distancing. It's really important. The former nurse is being very mindful of this, and we need to protect not only ourselves but the other people around us, not just those in our house but the workers that are out there. So shout out to the home centers who understand that people have repairs they need to make or things they want to do, and they're making it easy. This morning I needed to get paint because I was doing a project for QVC and Wagner remotely working, and I needed paint. So Sherwin Williams steps up to the plate. You can call Sherwin Williams. You can order your paint. Any paint you want, they will order it over the phone. You can pay for it with your credit card, and they leave the box on the curb outside the door so that you don't have to deal with the staff in person. You are protected, they are protected. It is a fabulous way to keep America moving and getting projects done, but keeping everyone safe. Home Depot and Lowe's are also doing phone-in, or I should say online orders that you can then pick up in the store. So here's a few tips for shopping for your home goods while being safe. Do not lollygag your way into Home Depot or Lowe's and wander the aisles planning your next kitchen makeover. This is not the time, people. This is the time to deal with the projects that are important, that are urgent. So if you want to go into the store, go to the website for each store, type in my store, put your zip code, choose the store you're going to shop at, look at the items, make a shopping list. If you want to have it paid for ahead of time and ready for pickup, then do that. But make sure that you're not wandering the store. It's unnecessary right now. Every store website actually has aisle markers where they will tell you what aisle and bay the products are in. So you don't have to wander the store and expose yourself or others to potential hazards. So be mindful, be smart. All for DIYing, just DIY with others in mind and keep everybody safe.